Hello, and welcome to Sonyabeonit's channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can enjoy eating bacon by removing the fatty sodium from it.
You're going to need a 1 cup measuring device, 32 ounces of water, and cooking oil. Don't think I didn't hear you. She took all the flavor out the bacon. Well, as they say, don't knock it till you try it. And believe me, this is going to be delicious. But if you must have some kind of seasoning, reach for Mrs. Dash, for it has no sodium in it. By boiling your bacon for 2 to 5 minutes, it's going to allow all that fatty sodium to float to the top. Next, you want to go ahead and pour your bacon over into your colander because we're going to rinse this with cool water. Now you're going to take your 1 cup measuring device to add your 2 cups of cooking oil to your high temperature heated skillet. Okay, so it's very important that you drain all the excessive water from your bacon before frying. Okay, so you want to go ahead and allow your bacon to cook on a high temperature, anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes per side, but keep in mind, the longer you cook it, it's going to become very crispy. Okay, so now we're removing the bacon from the grease. We're going to go ahead and allow this to cool and drain any excessive oil from the bacon on this quickie cooling rack is what it really is. But I've always used this to drain any of my fried food because it allows your food to air dry and it gives it less of a greasy feel or taste to your food. So go check this out. Go by your local department store and pick one up. Okay, so now it's time for the grease test. Do you see my fingers? Less grease. Now this bacon has been cooked very crispy because the kids enjoy it. But do you see? There's not that much grease on my fingers. So now you can enjoy eating bacon with less sodium. How about that? Yes. Look at that breakfast. Fit for a king. Those cheesy eggs, lightly raisined toast, and my, look at that bacon. Doesn't it look delicious? Now you can enjoy bacon with less sodium. So I figured you wanted a plate, so here's your plate to go. And for those of you who feel like you still need seasoning, use Mrs. Dash because it has no sodium. Doesn't that look delicious? So I hope you've enjoyed the time we've shared together. Until next time, be blessed.